This is the East Idaho planning briefing for October 18th, 2020. Well, windy conditions are still out there. It's a broken record, but it's going to continue more or less through midweek. We've got that upper level jet stream that's sitting right on top of us, and it hasn't moved a whole lot. We are looking for some light rain and some high elevation snow for the mountains and highlands today. And there's an outside chance we might even see a sprinkle in the Snake River Plain early this morning as well. So looking at the satellite picture today, once again we have this very weak disturbance that's kind of moving along the jet stream. That's moving today through the area today. That's going to bring us to some very, very light showers to the region today. In terms of impacts, the main impacts this week is going to be in the form of wind, mainly across the Snake Plain, Magic Valley. There's a possibility this afternoon that we could see some blowing dust kick up around the Roberts area on Interstate 15. May produce some low visibilities and some a temporary closure there, so just be advised of that. In terms of high temperatures for today, generally looking at highs in the 50s and 60s, and then going into Monday, not a whole lot of difference in there. Once again, highs mainly in the 50s and 60s. Once again, look for windy conditions today. Peak winds will generally be in the Shoshone area out to about American Falls and Pocatello. Looking at humidity levels for today, once again, we're not expecting critical humidities, thus no red flag warnings. And then looking at our wind speeds for our Monday, once again, the core of that wind is generally sitting around Pocatello out and towards the craters area, but we will have breezy conditions out towards INL, Idaho Falls too, and also possibly down as far south as Minidoka and Shoshone. So probably pretty good bet that we'll see more wind advisories issued for Monday when you see the forecast later this afternoon. In terms of humidities for Monday, once again, non-critical humidities are forecast. How about rainfall amounts, rainfalls? Not looking for a lot. Most areas will generally just see a few hundredths in the gauge today. So just to summarize, windy conditions through midweek. There is actually a little bit of a possibility we could see a little bit of a reprieve in the winds Tuesday and once again Thursday, but generally speaking, very windy through most of the week. And then once again, some light rain, high elevation snow for the high country today. That concludes this morning's briefing, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know.